Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Let's start today's video. Here are few instructions. Please follow it. Take your notebook and pencil. Write highlighted important points. Third one is pause video when I'll tell you to pause it. This is our block 1 and today we'll do LP 2, changes within families. Agenda means what we are going to do today. Firstly, I'll ask some questions to you all. Then we'll know about our aim. After that, we'll do an activity. And then we will discuss some questions based on our activity. And at the end, I will tell you some keywords based on this chapter. I hope it's clear to you all. So, here are some questions. What is your duty at home? I repeat, what is your duty at home? Second question is, who cooks food in your family? Who cooks food in your family? Please pause video for 2 minutes and write answer of these questions. I hope you done it. So let's discuss the answer of these questions. So your duty at home, maybe you have a duty to help your mother in the kitchen or to help your father in washing the vehicles. Then who cooks food in your family? So your mother, your auntie or your grandmother cooks food in your family. I hope it's clear to you all. Now aim. What is our aim of the day? In this chapter, we will learn how changing family structure means size of the family, change roles and responsibility within families. I repeat, we will learn how changing family size or structures change roles and responsibilities within families. I hope aim is clear to you all. Then we'll do an activity. Before that, here are few instructions. Please follow it. Read 2 entries of Shabnam's diary and then underline the difference between these 2 entries of Shabnam's diary. Clear? So now here are the first entry of Shabnam's diary. Please read it and after that you can underline the difference. Sunday, May 18, 2014. I woke up early. Shalu, Dimpu and I went for a walk with Grandpa. Shalu and Dimpu is Shabnam's cousins. It's a holiday and everyone will be home today. Uma auntie and mama made dosas for breakfast. Shalu, Dimpu, mummy, papa, Uma auntie, Sumit uncle, grandma, grandpa and I sat down to have breakfast. Grandpa had many jokes to tell. This evening, Sumit uncle has promised to take all of us to the fair. It's going to be fun. Now we'll read the second entry of Shabnam's diary. Mommy woke me up today. It's Sunday, so I didn't have to go to school. The house was quiet. Papa took our dog for a walk in the morning. Mummy and Papa don't have office today. Salma Didi made breakfast for us. I went to the park to see if I could find Sonu and Seema there. They are my neighbors and we are friends. The park was empty. I came back and switched on the TV. There was nothing interesting to watch. I decided to play computer games and this entry was written on Sunday, September 11, 2016. Now please pause video and write down the difference or underline the difference in your content book. Now we'll discuss some questions based on our activity. So my first question is that how was Shabnam's life in 2014 different from her life in 2016? Second question is, what changes in responsibility take place when moving from a large family to a small family? And third one is, what are some advantages and disadvantages of small families? Please pause video for 2 minutes and write down the answers. I hope you done it, so let's discuss. So Shabnam lived in a joint family in 2014, but in 2016 she lived in a small family. And in 2014 she enjoyed each and every moment in her life, but in 2016 she was very sad, or we can say she was very alone. So now second question, what changes in responsibility take place when moving from large family to small family? When we move from a large family to a small family, the decision is taken by the parents only, and the household work is also shared by the husband and wife. So this is the important responsibility changes. Now, what are the advantage and disadvantage of small family? The advantage of small family is there are less expenses. We need a small house to live. And what are the disadvantage of small families? We don't spend time with our grandparents or with our uncle, aunts and cousins. And second, you can write the housework is divided between few members. I hope it's clear to you all. So now this is for you. You have to write according to your family. First question is, how many members are there in your family? You can write who are the members of your family. Then, is it a small family or a large family? Then, do you know the names of your grandparents? If you know, then write yes here. If you don't know, then write no here. Do you know the names of all your uncle and aunts and what work they do? If you know, then write yes. If you don't know, then write no. Clear? Now here are the keywords. First one is transfer. When one person moves from one place to another. Responsibility, then decision. Clear? What is the meaning of responsibility here? To do something for someone, and decision is a choice that you make about something. I hope keywords is clear to you all. Thank you very much. Please watch this video again and again. Thank you.